Good morning, everybody. It's the Mobile Home Mama out here at the factory. We are looking at a 28 by 40. We call this the Casey home. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This one's headed up to Wisconsin, Fond du Lac County. This is a repeat customer of mine. Coming into the front living room, you can see we have all the packing materials here and ready to go for the customers so that when the home gets to the location, they have everything they need to install. Heading over here to the master bedroom, we're going to see the standard VOG walls, which is a drywall product, 3/8 of an inch. We've got white trim up at the top, a walk-through closet. So you can see that both doors go to the same place. Bedroom 2 on the other side. Black hardware, including the door stops this year. We've talked about that. When you do a VOG wall, currently you're going to have can lights throughout. That's included in that type of wall. Let's go to the other side and check out the kitchen area. All right, so coming into the kitchen area, this would be an extension of that living room. This is a wide open floor plan here. We've got a pantry over here. Lots of storage. That isn't included in this floor plan. This customer did a package with the appliances. We've got a microwave above the range, dishwasher, laminate backsplash with the glacier quartzite as the countertop pattern. I like how the appliances are black and the cabinetry is very crisp and white. I think that's a good feature. Thunder on the floor. Here comes the built-in bookcase. We're gonna go find Brittany here. She is taping her little heart out. There she is. Say hi.
Hello.
Look how tan she is. She's doing the hot girl summer this summer.
No, I'm doing the outside this summer.
Hot girl mom summer is what she's doing. Playing with the kiddos.
Do you need to look in here?
It looks good.
It really does. I'm just going to make sure that the door shuts.
Okay. And that's what
it does.
And that's what Brittany does. She comes over and tapes any little thing that looks out of the ordinary. We want to make sure that by the time this home gets to your property, it's looking perfect. And even if it isn't, when it does get there, you're going to send Brittany a list of anything that you feel needs addressed, and she's going to submit that as a service request to the factory. We've added a single view medicine cabinet in here. ADA grab bars. We can do it, guys. As many of them as you need. You'll see in this bathroom, we've got 3 in particular. So a short one there, short one behind Brittany, and a long one in the shower.
Yeah, in the shower. They're in every bathroom in this one.
Here's bed 3. This is a 1,066 square foot home. We've utilized the space very well. This is an eat-in kitchen, so I imagine there'll be a table of some sort right here. If that were me, that's what I would do. Here's the access to the hot water heater. We do have the option of adding an actual door that opens there if you wanted to. And then we did the optional end entry. Normally that would be a back door on the back of the house, but this customer wanted to opt to enter in from the side. So you're coming into the washer dryer area. And then immediately to your left is the master bath, which we've added this door right here is an optional door actually, so that when you're coming in from that optional end entry and you really got to go to the bathroom, you have access to it immediately. So that's what's going on with this door. We've got an extended vanity with a bank of drawers. Added another grab bar there by the commode. And then the 60-inch walk-in shower 2-seater. Cute little house heading up to Fond du Lac County in Wisconsin. We're here. The summer's heating up. My phone number is in the description below. Call me, make an appointment. Let's hang out. Thanks for watching.